Good morning. I'm Arjun K, third year IHM Chennai student, BSc HNHA. I would like to thank Karamat for giving me certain products to make my recipe. From this, today I'm going to make Shahi Biryani. Shahi Biryani. For that, they given me the MYO kit. Let's now see what's all inside the kit. They have given a biryani paste, fried onions, biryani masala, spices, and basmati rice. Now first let's get started of the marination process with the biryani paste mix. Now take a mixing bowl and add the biryani paste mix. Now add 80 ml curd to this paste and mix well with a spoon or a spatula. After mixing the curd and the masala, now we can add the vegetables or the meat which needs to be marinated. Today I am going to make mushroom biryani, so I am adding the mushroom for marination. Marinate well so that the masala coats evenly on all the vegetables and mushrooms. Now the mushroom has been completely marinated. Let it sit for half an hour. Now it has been 30 minutes after marination. Now we can saute the marination in simmer flame for 5 minutes. At the same time, we can just boil the basmati rice. For that, we need to boil water. When the water is boiled, and when the water starts boiling, we can add the basmati rice and cook for 5 minutes. So that it's 50% to 75% done. Once the water starts boiling, let's add the whole spices which has been given in the Karamat kit. And now we can add the basmati rice, 290 grams, which has been given in the kit. And wait for 5 minutes until the rice is half done. In middle, just check the consistency of the rice. The marination has been simmered in the gas for 5 minutes and now it's ready for done. Similarly, in the same side, we have boiled the basmati rice and it's 50% done with the whole spices. Now let's strain the rice and proceed further. Now we have strained the rice. Now let's proceed with the process of dum. Now first take a hot pot and add the marinated gravy which we have sauteed for 5 minutes. The bottom layer will be the marinated one, and layer it with the rice, boiled rice, 50% done. On top of it, add some kevra water, some saffron water, some ghee on the top, and add freshly chopped mint and coriander leaf for flavor. Now place a tawa which is very hot and place the dum on it. See that the edges are properly sealed with the dough so that the heat doesn't escape. Now we have sealed the pot completely. Now let's let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes on low flame. And after that our dum will be ready. Now it's 30 minutes and now we can remove the biryani and see how is it made. After removing the dough, we can open the cap or the lid. Now let's mix it from the bottom, and you can see the color changes. The rice should be mixed fully and properly.